discuss affordable fashion, footwear, and lifestyle choices. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe below. Today's episode will discuss about the newly released Stussy x Nike Air Zoom Spiridon. Let's get right into it, guys. So here we have traditional Nike box, same old black tape, just do it. And let's see what we're looking at. Side, you'll see the Nike box, of course, receipt, and we have the Stussy x Nike Spiridon Cage 2. The colorway is fossil, black, and noir. The size is 12. Retail is suggested $160. Open up, your normal Nike paper. Now we have the sneaker itself. The Nike Air Spiridon was originally released in 2003 by the creator named Steven Smith, who ironically is now Yeezy's design director, hence the resemblance to shoes like the Yeezy 500 Blushes. The shoe in particular released April 3rd, 2020. And it came out two colorways, the fossil you see here, as well as a pure platinum pair, which features a silver and black upper with a similar build to this sneaker. This sneaker is laced in a full cream, or as they call fossil colorway, a majority mesh upper and a cage-like construction made of like a Durabuck or suede style material. On the bottom, you have Stussy's name with a couple dots here, as well as features a black Nike check here, and here on the shoe. Also have accents of black here on the sole and the zoom unit that it has in this shoe. Here's the bottom, has a nice cool feature. While I do have these sneakers in my native size of a size 12, from research I have noticed that they tend to run a half size big. If you have a wider foot, of course, get your true to size, whatever that may be. And if you have a little narrower foot or smaller foot, you definitely go a half size down and still be comfortable. It's definitely not a shoe for everybody, I will say. It takes particular outfits and style for that person to wear them, being that it's such a bulky sneaker and like how it's built. It gives me dad shoe, as they call it, vibes, such as the Nike Monarchs, Yeezy 500s, and other shoes that's built similar to this one. But I think if you put on with the right fit, it can make it pop and it will go. Please stay tuned for the next video where I'll show you guys how to style this shoe, or how I feel this shoe should be styled. Thanks for tuning in to my channel. I hope you enjoyed the video and the content, and more content will be coming soon. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below. Hit that bell button for when more fire content drops, you will be aware of what's going on. And here we have the on foot of these sneakers.